Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder. We're given the polynomial 2x to the fourth plus x squared minus 2x plus 2, and we're dividing by the polynomial x plus 2. To set this up in synthetic division, start with our synthetic division lines. The coefficients, 2x to the fourth. Notice there's no x cubed. We must use a placeholder, so 0x cubed. 1x squared minus 2x and 2. And with long division, you actually long divide with x plus 2, the divisor. But in synthetic division, you divide by what makes that 0. Negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, so we actually divide by negative 2. If you had to, you can set that equal to 0 and solve to go from the factor form to the 0. Okay, now our first step is to drop the first number straight down, 2. Now we take the 0 we're dividing by, negative 2, multiply by 2, that's negative 4. Put this up underneath the 0. Now we add these together, 0 minus 4, negative 4. Take the negative 2 and multiply by the negative 4 and we get 8. Write that up. And we add those together and we get 9. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Add those together is negative 20. And negative 2 times negative 20 is positive 40. We add those together and we get 42. So the operation of synthetic division is, after you drop the 2 down, multiply and add. Multiply and add. Multiply and add. Multiply and add. This is why it makes it so much nicer than long division, which is divide and subtract, which are the harder operations. Okay, now how do we interpret all of this information? This was an x to the fourth polynomial to begin with. We pulled out an x over here, so this is now x cubed. These are the coefficients of the x cubed. This is the quotient. The quotient would be 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 9x minus 20. And the remainder is 42. And that would be how you interpret the numbers that come out of the synthetic division. We have answered the quotient and remainder. I hope this helps.